watching Fina Eat, and today we went to Soul's Grill here in Fredericksburg, Virginia, over off Fall Hill, if you're from around here. Popped up not too long ago, if my memory serves. It hasn't been, not even a year yet. So, haven't made it over there. Today, what drew me in is I had a recommendation for their steak and cheese egg rolls. They got your normal burgers and seafood and stuff, but these egg rolls, never heard nothing about them before. So I'm excited to try it. Got super hungry, went over there, brought it back. Now I'm ready to eat. So we about to get to it. With my side of mumbo sauce. Okay, it's a DMV thing. It'll be worldwide soon. Mild and hot. I'm not a hot person. I can eat it. I don't like it. We finna eat this. I'm ready. Been waiting for this for a long time. Like all day. Maybe I should have tried it without the dip first, but I'm hungry. It's a good egg roll. It's got steak and cheese, obviously, and the steak it's got, it's made with onions and bell peppers, normal steak and cheese, and then it's just wrapped up in an egg roll. So I guess you're just subbing bread for an egg roll, but it's really, really good, especially in this mumbo sauce. The meat is seasoned nicely, goes well with this shell. And the mumbo sauce. And there's not too much cheese in there either. I like that. They did a good job over there. Steak and cheese egg rolls on point. Shout out to Soul's Grill. Thank you, Y'all check them out. But for real, this video is more so to commemorate my 100 subscribers. I got 100. It's not a lot, but it's something. It's more than what some of y'all got. I'm trying to get to where the rest of them are. So I need y'all to help me out and ding them bells. But I'm happy. Each one is just like, oh, I got another one. Like, I'm excited. I just want to thank y'all. And for real, I want to shout out another YouTuber by the name of 1000. He is based out of Seattle, Washington, and he's actually a dope artist. He's known for these big murals. He's getting paid to paint these, big murals in these corporate buildings to put some color in the workplace because he's known for vibrant colors. Vibrant colors, cool imagery, kind of cartoony, but not really. Like, I'm going to show you. This is what came in the mail today, okay? What is awesome about him is he believes that art is for everybody. He's not all about the money. He's about the art. That's what I want to say. All right? Of course, he needs some money. Everybody needs some money. But he's an awesome guy. All right? I follow his YouTube. I'm subscribed to his YouTube. And I love listening to how he feels about his artwork. Every day is just art, something, some form. It's just awesome, But these boards, I'm just so excited about these boards. Because, is it this one? Like I said, they're signed. And this board right here is extra special in my eyes because it's the very last one. Y'all see this signature? 25 out of 25. That means nobody else can get one. After this board, there's no more. That's exciting to me. Okay. This one, I got the one in the middle. So only a couple people got it after me. But they're dope. His artwork is awesome. I got so excited and I wanted to keep them both. But I do want to do some type of art giveaway in the future. I can't part with these ones because, like I said, there's no more. So I'm gonna figure something out. So besides doing boards and stuff like that, he has a store, Statics, and they're online as well. He sells a lot of merchandise with his artwork on it, so all is really dope. All right, but Statics, name of the store, name of his brand. Please check him out. If you like this artwork, you like these colors, he's got a lot of cool stuff. I got this cool t-shirt dress, right? So Statics, the name of his brand. And the back, not exactly sure what it says. Pretty sure it might say Statics, but we'll figure that out later. All right. How I look? It is nice and comfy. Okay, it's just like a big old t-shirt for real. But y'all need to check them out. 1000 YouTube, amazing artist. I'm happy to have my stuff. You know, shout outs to 1000. Thank y'all for watching this video. Subscribe. Need some subscribers. Let's get to 200. Okay, that's the next goal to hit. 2. Let's get there. Appreciate y'all. See y'all next time.